Hi, I'm Roger Montgomery and welcome to this week's Video Insight. The internet and the Australian dollar have been really making it tough for Australian retailers. We've seen the demise of Allen's Music, we've seen the demise of Darryl Lee, and you'd think that travel agents would be prime targets for the online revolution. And yet Flight Centre seems to be going from strength to strength. It's easy to dismiss Flight Centre's shopfront model. It's easy to suggest that customers will go to a travel agent, ask them to help plan a trip, then go home, get online and buy that trip cheaper. But to dismiss Flight Centre for that reason is to ignore its online presence, which is growing significantly, and to ignore the growth that's coming from the United States. Despite the GFC, despite the global recession, despite difficult consumer conditions in Australia, and despite the fact that corporate and government travel has been scaled back enormously, Flight Centre continues to grow its profits. It's always a great sign when a company can go from strength to strength during a difficult trading environment. This is because its competitors fall by the wayside, the marginal operators go broke. And so as the economy recovers, the company can actually expand its market share even more significantly and take advantage of its dominant position. Flight Centre is now trading at or about its intrinsic value, or our estimate of its intrinsic value, give or take $1 here or there. The interesting thing is, though, that the company is flush with cash, and Graham Turner has previously said that any excess cash will be paid out as special dividends, and the company has done this twice before. In an environment where everyone's looking for yield, it might just be that any sell-off in Flight Centre's price due to the decline in the Australian dollar may just be the opportunity we're looking for to add to our holdings, remembering that at the end of last year we picked Flight Centre as one of our top 5 companies for 2013. That's all I've got time for this week. We look forward to seeing you next week. Keep following the blogs here on the Insight blog page and also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. And I'll see you next week.